Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Friday visited the Holy Cross Hospital in Tura and reviewed the healthcare infrastructure requirement. He thanked the management and staff of the hospital for the support and dedication to deal with COVID management in West Garo Hills. Chief Minister has assured to provide support to the hospital to upgrade healthcare requirement including oxygen facilities at the hospital. During his visit to the hospital, he also handed over an oxygen concentrator to the hospital.
I have just visited the Holy Cross Hospital and we just discussed with the sisters, the doctors out here and the management on how the Holy Cross Hospital could also give assistance in a situation where things could become more serious and if they do, and in case there's a requirement of more beds, then how Holy Cross could assist the government in ensuring that services are given to the people, and that would involve increase of manpower and even the infrastructural investment in the hospital. And we had a detailed discussion on that, on what would be the manpower requirement and how the government would support them, and what would be the investment requirement and how the government could support them. So I'm very thankful to the sisters, Holy Cross, and to the management and the doctors for giving a very positive response. We are very hopeful that we will be able to create some infrastructure and create more beds to fight this entire situation of COVID in Tura and West Garo Hills district as well.